Language Development Center. To all of students in Ulumuddin Primary School and who forms are on to register and to follow this competition, I hope all of students for listening to me. That 15 January until 15 February 2020. Time after the prayer until after prayer. Place call. Not bring the text page and use uniform speed. Okay, hello my friend. This is result of working. I want to explain about have this competition. Okay, possible this competition will celebrate in the 15 January. If you are want to register this competition, all of you can register with member of PDTU or Mr. Iqbal. And opening of this competition will tell our Mr. Jokowi and some ministry other. I hope all of students in boarding school for follow this competition. And special for the first winner of English, Speech of English, we will give seed the good prize, and we will bring it to Jakarta. And if you are have the gift, this gift for can to show this is competition. And okay, if don't have a wrong word, don't you say it's a good word, or you can take my greeting. And last I say assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.